Good evening and good afternoon to all. I am Bishop Peter Kihara of the Consolata Missionaries, working here in the Catholic Diocese of Marsabit from January 2007. My predecessor bishop was Ambrose Ravasi, also a Consolata missionary, and retired and is still with us here in the shrine in Marsabit. I am glad to continue the work that Bishop Ravasi and also the first bishop of this diocese, Charles Maria Caffarera, started in 1965, and therefore to continue the work of the Consolata Missionaries of first evangelization. Our diocese of Marsabit covers the north-central part of Kenya, just south of Ethiopian border. We are about 530 kilometers from Nairobi, and now it is easy to reach us through the Nairobi-Nanyuki Isiolo Marsabit road that proceeds to Ethiopia. Our county Marsabit is equal to the diocese for the moment, and it covers 78,078 square kilometers. In this county, the total population is estimated to be 350 for the time being, but the census that is coming soon will confirm those figures. The peoples comprising of this population are about 14 different tribes, all of Cushite origin and living in this area. They are traditionally pastoralists and nomads, taking care of their camels, goats, sheep, and a good number of cows. That is the source of their livelihoods. Because this area is dry and arid north, there are no rivers. They depend on rain harvesting when rain comes, or collection of dams, or even boreholes when it happens. Otherwise, many times the drought hits us and reduces the progress of the people and even of their animals. For the moment, the traditional style of these people is changing. It used to be a traditional form without school, but from 1963, after independence, our church, the Catholic Church, and through the initiative of the first bishop, Charles Caffarera, the first schools were begun. Now they have even tripled in the number of students, and many other schools, plus even secondary schools that send many of the students to the secondary school, meaning that the traditional people have accepted the education as the tool towards development and one to which will uplift their traditional standards. We are looking forward with God's graces to see a faster change, so that their traditional forms, especially those which are not good for human beings, to change for the better ones, especially human rights, equality, conflicts between these communities, because they always fight over the natural resources of water, pasture, animals, land, and all over. We look forward that more enlightened, they will be able to take other ways to claim their rights without fighting or violence between themselves that loses a lot of life.